let's do the same question with the alter method. Now we are having tan inverse cos x upon 1 plus sin x. Now let's see if we are attempting this one with the different way, do we save the time? Now here, just check it what first step I am going to use it, that is tan inverse sin pi by 2 plus x upon 1 minus cos pi by 2 plus x. I have used this formula here. I have converted cos. Now what I have done? Sin 90 minus theta is what? Cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta is what? Sin theta. But here I have taken plus. So what I have taken? Sin 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta is what? Cos theta. Now sin falls where? In the second quadrant. So it is positive only. And now same for cos, you can write 90 cos 90 plus theta. Now cos 90 plus theta again in the second quadrant. So their cos is negative. So we are getting minus sin theta. So this minus and this minus becomes plus. So I am going to use this formula, because always when tan is there, remember one thing, if we are having sin as a numerator and rest as a denominator, then it becomes easy to solve it. Now what type of formula I am going to use here? For sin theta, if suppose this is angle is theta, then we are having sin pi by 2 plus x is equal to 2 sin pi by, now it is 2 sin x by 2. So we will be having here 2 sin pi by 4 plus x by 2 cos pi by 4 plus x by 2. Taking this whole as, if we are writing it as a sin theta, and this part is the same. Okay. So now before going further, we are having for 1 minus cos pi by 2 plus x. Now this will becomes 2 sin square pi by 4 plus x by 2. Now if you are remembering this formula conversion without any careless mistakes, then you can proceed with this, otherwise you can follow this method also. Okay. So now this becomes what? Our question becomes tan inverse sin tan inverse 2 sin pi by 4 plus x by 2 cos pi by 4 plus x by 2 upon 2 sin pi by 4 plus x by 2 sin pi by 4 plus x by 2. Now what I have done? I have written this twice. Square of sine, sine into sine. That square of sine theta into sine theta. So now finally I am left with cos pi by 4 plus x by 2 upon sine pi by 4 plus x by 2. Now what is cos theta upon sin theta? It is cot theta. So we are left with tan inverse cot pi by 4 plus x by 2. Now you have to change cot in terms of tan. So you are knowing that cos theta, sorry, it is cot theta. We are knowing cot theta is equal to tan pi by 2 minus theta. So same thing I am doing here. I got it tan inverse tan, then pi by 2 minus, now this theta is this whole thing, minus pi by 4 plus x by 2. Now opening the bracket, what we get? Tan inverse tan pi by 2 minus pi by 4, pi by 2 minus pi by 4 minus x by 2. Now pi by 2 minus pi by 4, what it is? Pi by 4. So we got tan inverse tan pi by 4 minus x by 2, and finally pi by 4 minus x by 2. So now let's check it. Which method is more easy? Here we have to use 2-3 different formulas. Indeed, we used here also different formulas, but if you are going to appear for the competition exams, you must be knowing all the ways how we have solved the question. Because what happens in the competition part, sometimes they are saying that prove this, and they are giving the terms which we are getting from these formulas. We can get easily from these formulas. So better way is to learn each and everything, whatever it is, and opt what? Whichever you feel is easy.